Power of a product or quotient. If we have 2 times 3 in brackets, and we're going to raise this whole amount to the power of 4. So if we were to write that out, here's our base, and 4 is the exponent. So we have the base, which happens to be a product this time, but the base is written and multiplied times itself 4 times. And 4 times. So this can be rewritten as this, right? This is expanded. Now, since we're all multiplying here, all the numbers are multiplying by each other, we can regroup them. So we can put all the 2's together, and that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There they all are. And then we can group all the 3's together, and there's also 4 of those. Now, if we look at this, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, well, we can rewrite that. This is 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. So this is 2 to the power of 4. If we look at the 3's, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and it's 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. So we can rewrite that as 3 to the power of 4. So what you can see here is that the 4, the exponent, applies to both of the numbers inside of these brackets because they're multiplying by each other, right? So if we had 4 times 9 to the power of 7. This would involve a lot of writing out of values. However, we can go straight to the answer because the exponent applies to both of these numbers. So this becomes 4 to the power of 7 times 9 to the power of 7. Now let's look at quotients. Let's say we have 2/3, and let's say we have that to the power of 4. Well, we can write that out. The base is 2/3, and the exponent is 4, so it's 2/3 times itself 4 times. We can quickly write that here. Now let's regroup. Okay. These are all multiplying by each other, so we can write everything on the numerator together. The numerator here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2. So we have in the numerator 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. In the denominator, we can group them together. We have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we can rewrite, or we can write that out as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's 2 times itself 4 times. We can rewrite that numerator as 2 to the power of 4. In much the same way, the denominator is 3 times itself 4 times. We can rewrite that as 3 to the power of 4. So 2/3 to the power of 4 becomes 2 to the power of 4 over 3 to the power of 4. Just like in products of a power, here, or power of a product, here the exponent applies to both numbers. See, 2 raised to the power of 4, and 3 raised to the power of 4. So let's try an example here. Let's try a different question. Let's say we have 4/5, and we're going to raise that to the power of 3. Well, both of these values get raised to the power of 3. Everything in this bracket gets raised to the power of 3. So we can rewrite that, and the numerator is 4 to the power of 3, and the denominator is 5 to the power of 3.